Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by proving this is your device. You need ownership proof and the account used for enrollment. Once done, make sure the phone is charged and on a stable Wi-Fi network because communications with servers may be required. You will contact the administrator or original seller next, so have receipts and the MA ready. This avoids risky workarounds and ensures the process follows policy. If an employer enrolled it, you must request their removal approval before proceeding. You should now reach out to the enrolling authority, your IT administrator, or the organization that managed the device, because legitimate unenrollment is controlled by them. If that is not possible, contact Samsung support and present proof of purchase and the MA. They can confirm warranty status and authorize service options. Make sure to ask for the official unenrollment or factory release process rather than guessing, because that prevents bricking or voiding warranty. Keep records of communication. Finish only by following the official process you were given. This may involve an admin removing enrollment or an authorized service performing a release. Once completed, verify that device settings and accounts reflect the change. If an MDM lock or activation still appears, don't attempt bypasses. Instead, capture screenshots, note exact messages, and escalate with Samsung or the organization for remote release. Doing things the right way protects your data, warranty, and legal standing, so prioritize official channels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.